Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, Cook and Barbecue 24/7. Today I'm doing a quick review of my Hamilton Beach deep fryer. I was looking at these for a while now and bought one off of Amazon. It also reminds me of the ones you'll see in like a fast food restaurant or in a commercial kitchen. All right, family, here's the front of the box. I'm going to read everything out to you. It says Hamilton Beach deep fryer. Cooks 5 servings of French fries or onion rings. Cooks 15 chicken tenders. Fast cooking with immersible heating element. Easy to assemble and easy to clean. And it has an oil capacity of 2 liters. And I did the calculation. 2 liters of oil is equivalent to approximately a half a gallon of oil. And so keep that in mind. In today's economy, vegetable oil, canola oil, and peanut oil is very expensive. And they also sell on Amazon different kits. You can strain your oil to get all the bits and pieces to extend the oil life. So that might be something you want to look into. So the bigger these cookers are, the more oil they use, the more expensive they are to use, and the longer it takes for this oil to heat up. Now I'm going to unpack it bit by bit and see how good this is packed and get all the parts out of the plastic. Then we're going to do another breakdown of all the parts and assemble it together. Hey family, 2 things in the comments below. Please let me know what is your favorite type of fried food. What do you and your family like to cook in the deep fryer? And also, if you're enjoying this unboxing video so far, please hit the like button that's under this video, and that will really help the channel out and get these type of videos to the folks who like this kind of content. Thank you. And right here, I'm trying to show you guys where the max oil fill line and the minimum oil fill line. And I think all fryers have that for safety. And also this fryer has a short safety cord that is hooks up to the unit. And mostly all your fryers come like this with a safety cord that's very short, and it's a breakaway. So if something happened, it just gives without pulling the whole unit down. I must say it was packed up very well and secure. I didn't have any damaged parts or scratches or dings or anything. So I'm happy about that. Good job, Hamilton Beach. All right, here we are. This is the control panel. You have a power light, a ready light that tells you when your grease is ready for the temperature you set it on. And the temperature ranges from 275 to 375. So it's a wide 100 degree gap. So you can fry just about anything you want in this fryer. All right, here we are. We have a nice heavy duty cover that has a clear window on it so you can see the meat in your food frying. You also have a nice stainless steel basket that's pretty good size. I'm going to hold my hand up to it to show you how much meat you can get in there. A lot of wings, a few, good size amount of chicken legs, wings, fries, onion rings, like the box says. This is the heating element that's connected to the main unit. All this is in one. And inside, you can't really see, there's a minimal oil line and a maximum oil line. That way it's a safety thing. That way minimum to get your meat frying in oil, and maximum to keep you from going over and overflowing. And then what holds it is just a frame, a stainless steel frame that holds it all together. And that's it. I'm looking forward to using this fryer, and I'm ready to cook some meat. And everyone, please, if you're not familiar with these fryers, please read your owner's manual for your safety and how to set up, how to use this, because it can be a very dangerous thing. And also, guys, I don't know if you know this, I fry 99% of my food outside just for the smell and the convenience, and I like being outdoors. So for the smell and the sunlight, enjoying some of the good outdoors, I fry my stuff right outside. This is a well-built fryer. It really looks good. I'm really looking forward to making some great food in it on the channel for my family. And I'll bring you guys along with the videos along the whole way. Everyone, thank you guys for watching this unboxing of this Hamilton Beach deep fryer. And until next week, cook and barbecue 24/7.